friends, Nicole here. Welcome to Seria. Ito po yung ating complete address. So, ang developer natin of Vialand, magkakaroon tayo ng latest update for August 2025. Siyempre guys, mag-house tour tayo. Unahin natin yung kanilang duplex model. Ang duplex model guys, nakikita nyo sa screen yung kanyang floor and lot area. At ito yung tinatawag natin na complete finish turnover. So nakita nyo naman diba guys, ang laki ng lot, ang laki ng floor area, duplex, complete finish. Tapos pagpasok natin guys, ganito siya ka-aliwalas. Yan. Meron kang malaking living space dito, ikaw na magde-design yan. Tapos, ito yung dining space mo. And then, malaki yung kitchen mo dito sa duplex. And at the same time, meron kang access door sa side. At meron kang toilet and shower sa baba. In total, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and shower dito po sa duplex model. Okay? So guys, meron din tayong service area, laundry area. Ayan. Malaki pa po siya, guys. And we are going to check the second floor. But before that, papakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, yung sample competition ng ating duplex na nakikita nyo ngayon. So, ayan po yung ating most updated sample computation for duplex, di ba? So, para alam mo kaagad kung pasok ba yan sa'yo. For example, okay ka kay duplex, masaya ka sa computation. Pero kung gusto mo mas affordable, watch until the end kasi meron pa silang townhouse na mas affordable. Papakita ko rin yung later, pati yung computation. Pero si duplex muna, ayan yung kanyang sample computation. Very affordable. For now, back lang muna yung sample natin. So, ayan siya guys. Yan. So, let's go and move on sa second floor para makita niyo yung kanyang mga bedrooms. Going to the second floor of duplex model, maluwag yung hallway. Sa sobrang luwag niya, nakapaglagay ka pa ng, dito, anong tawag dyan? Accent chair. Tapos from this accent chair, meron kang balcony area. Plantito, plantita. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng view mo. And at the same time, ganyan kaluwag yung iyong hallway. Yan. Complete finish turnover to, guys. Bedroom 1 tayo. Bedroom number 1, toilet and shower number 2. So, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower, kaya perfect for growing family. Bedroom number 2. Yan. For example, small family ka lang, pwede mo yun gawing home office. Your master's bedroom, pwede dito ang queen size. So, master's bedroom, guys. Na pwede ka pang maglagay dito ng closet. Meron pa siya ditong sliding door effect. Yan, may ganyan po siyang effect. Yan, di ba ang ganda? Full of natural light ang iyong master's bedroom dito kay Duplexeria. Nakita nyo naman yung sample competition niya, guys. Contact me as soon as possible kung okay ka sa sample competition. But, if you want something much more affordable, let's go for a townhouse. So, let's go and check out yung kanilang townhouse model and sample computation. Alright, let's go and move on to the townhouse. For the townhouse, guys, yan, may inner tsaka end unit ang townhouse. So, dito muna tayo sa inner unit. Details on the screen, lot area, floor area. Elegant color, perfect for your family and faster turnover. No need to wait 2 to 3 years kasi mas mabilis po ang turnover ng Seria o Vialand. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaluwag yung ating floor area, walang gamit, kaya mas ma-appreciate mo siya. Actual turnover, tiles, color can change depending on the availability of the supplier. Parang ano lang naman yan either much lighter or a bit darker, pero meron kang idea na ganito yung style niya, okay? So, complete finish turnover, maganda. Nasa labas kasi yung iyong kitchen. Pwede mo yung ipa-enclose dito ang luwag pa ng kitchen area mo. Kaya ang luwag ng magiging space mo for the living and dining for this townhouse. Kita nyo ba guys? Meron din tayong toilet and shower sa baba. At syempre, on the second floor, meron din tayong total of 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and shower. So, ito yung hallway. Toilet and shower number 2. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. May abang ng aircon. Master's bedroom. Ang master's bedroom for the townhouse ay merong small balcony effect. Katulad nitong nakikita nyo guys. Yan. Oh, diba? Can you see that? Wow! Did you know that this is very affordable? 100% value for money. Showing on the screen right now the sample computation of Seria by Ovialand Inner Unit Townhouse. Yan siya guys. Ganyan lang po siya ka-affordable. Bank financing po tayo. Yes. Yan. Pag nagpag-ibig, by request, pwede naman pero manage your expectation, mas mataas po yung pag-ibig, okay? Down payment ni pag-ibig. Kaya karamihan dito nagbabank kasi mas mabilis din yung approval ni bank, alright? So, yan po yung sample competition. Pag okay ka dyan, kontakin mo kagad ako as soon as possible. Kung gusto mong mag-schedule ng tripping or mag-online reservation, strictly, ang tatandaan mo lang, bawal dito mag-walk-in. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-walk-ins. Kailangan mo lang akong kontakin. Again, my name is Nicole. You have to contact me as soon as possible for viewing, tripping, copy of the map, sample computation, and all any other questions. And number 1, important thing, kailangan qualified ka muna. So, allow me to qualify you to make sure na pwede kang makapag-avail ng Seria o Ovialand. Ganun po yung process natin dito guys, okay? So, just contact me as soon as possible sa aking Viber, WhatsApp. O kaya naman guys, yung aking messenger showing on the screen right now, you can follow me. That's me legit yan, okay guys? So that's all you need to know. And syempre, kung gusto niyo namang makita yung sample computation ng end unit, tara, samahan niyo ako. For the end unit townhouse, guys, ganito yung itsura niya. Ito yung space mo sa gilid. Kaya nga siya end unit, may extra space ka sa side. Floor area and lot area showing on the screen right now. Look at the beauty and the elegance of this townhouse from Seria Ovialand. Pwede ka pang mag-garden space dito sa harap mo, guys. Lalo na pag end unit yan. Diba? So, pagpasok natin is also a complete finished turnover. Let's have a look. So, ito yung sa side niya, ha. Ganito. Meron siya ditong access door din. So, dumaan lang ako dito guys kasi nakalock yung dito sa harap. So, sa pinaka-front door niya, ayan, ganito po. May malalaki po tayong windows. At sa baba pa lang, marami na tayong windows kaya full of natural light for end unit. Kasi nga napansin nyo, nagkaroon ka pa ng mga extra windows on this side, okay? So, ganyan po siya guys, diba? Complete finished. Gamit na lang pag nakalipat ka. Ang maganda sa end unit, yung kanyang style ng kanyang kitchen. So, meron siyang ganito guys. Kasi nga, naka-enclose siya. And then, may access door. Kasi nga, end unit ka. May extra lot ka pa sa side. O, diba guys? And at the same time, this is your toilet and shower on the first floor. Ang maganda mong stairs. At sa second floor guys, meron ka ring another toilet and shower and 3 bedrooms. So, ito yung hallway niya. And let's look at toilet and shower number 2. Ayan siya guys, complete finished. May fixtures na, wala ka nang kakailanganin pa. Bili ka na lang ng gamit mo guys, alright? So bedroom 1, ayan. And bedroom number 2. So pwedeng-pwede to up to family of 6 kasi nga, 3 yung bedrooms. Kung small family ka lang, gusto mo, itong room na to, itong malaking room na to, gusto ko home office ko to. Go for it. Okay, yan po siya guys. And our master's bedroom, na syempre, pag master's bedroom, mas malaki at meron kang small balcony effect here on this side. Ayan siya guys, so, ganyan kaganda ang ating townhouse dito sa Seria by Ovialand. Let's look at your sample computation for the end unit showing on the screen right now. Ayan siya guys. So again, you have to contact me directly para malaman ko kung ano ba yung gusto mo, inner unit and unit na townhouse o yung duplex ba, 'di ba? Kung ano yung gusto mo diyan, guys, at kung ano yung pasok sa required income. Dahil, di ba, pinapakita ko naman lagi yung competition with the required income. Kung saan ka pasok dyan, pwede yan solo or combined. Kung mag-asawa kayo, magkapatid kayo, magkamag-anak kayo, or whatsoever. Di ba, guys? Mag-partner, go for it. Pwede kayong mag-combine the income. So, magsasagot rin ako ng mga frequently asked questions for Avia Land. Nakita naman natin na napakaganda po talaga ng project. How about for OFW? So, for OFW, guys, I will show on the screen yung mga initial requirements that you need to prepare. So, ayan po siya. OFW ka ba? Ayan, guys, nakikita mo na sa screen. Ihanda mo lang yan para sa initial requirements. Pasok ka na. Kung ikaw naman ay locally employed, showing on the screen for locally employed, paki-ready lang yan para smooth ang ating transaction. Kung ikaw naman ay virtual assistant or freelancer, showing on the screen, yung mga kailangan mo ring i-ready. Okay, guys? So, yung ITR dyan, guys, is pwede naman siyang to follow. So, pag sinabi mo, tinanong mo, bakit kailangan ng ITR? Kailangan po ang ITR kapag ang ilo-loan natin sa bank ay more than 3 million. Kung less than 3 million naman, guys, pwede naman pong walang ITR. So, ganun po siya. Pero pag sa bank, requirement nila na pag ang halaga ng unit ay 3 million ang loanable balance, kailangan po ng ITR. So, I hope we are clear on that. Again, you have to remember the rules. No walk-ins are allowed. You have to contact me, myself. My name is Nicole, for any questions and for online reservation or for site inspection, site tripping, okay? So, we have a very unique amenities at the beginning of this video. Nakita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung clubhouse na tapos na. At nakita nyo rin yung location niya na along the road. Ang ganda rin ng gate natin, napakamaaliwalas. Ito yung tipong masasabi mo na may class na subdivision. Kasi hindi siya colorful, di ba? Hindi siya, yung kulay niya very elegant and very classy. At marami ako, alam ko, yung mga iba kong nakausap na clients, ganun yung gusto nila. Yung simple lang yung dating ng bahay, ng subdivision, pero maganda, di ba, guys? So, dito, guys, sa Siria Avia Land, kung gusto mong maka-avail niyan, kontakin mo na kagad ako as soon as possible. Lagi naman nandiyan sa screen na aking Viber, WhatsApp. Ang i-mention nyo lang, Siria. Just mention Siria, okay? Mention Siria or the model kung gusto mo ng duplex or ng townhouse. That's all you needed to know, guys. Alright? So again, my name is Nicole, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, for all the updates here in the area of Bulacan. Thanks for watching.